Hello everyone, today I will share with you the tutorial on how to make a bracelet. You will need more than 1 meter of wire. Fix the end of the wire to the spring. The transparent bead is 2 millimeters. The colored bead is 3 millimeters. You can choose the length of the wire according to your preference. Make it to the length you need. 18 beads plus a loop. Pass through a few beads and tie a knot. Cut off the end and it's done. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.